Got a good one out there. Oh, he's not gonna do that. We'll be able to do it. Oh yes. Should I go inside for hello? See the guys around me. They're probably busy shit with the wind actually. Good day out there, isn't it?
Hello.
How are you? Do you remember these?
Eh?
Do you remember these?
No.
Daughters? Solar bears?
No, what is that?
It's a new form of personal transportation.
1 second, I'm going to do something. Can I help you with something?
No, I want to help you.
Okay, so perfect. I will get in touch with you in a few minutes. I'll let you know.
Oh, it's a bit wet in here. Oh, slippery, 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 slippery. See, that's what they'll do. They just blow you away. Just ignore you. No te interesado. Thick as bricks. See, over here they're strange on the island. Every shop I've gone to behaved just like that. They suddenly get really busy. You know, they suddenly have to work on something or answer a phone call or something. It's really strange. Anyway, it's too funny. I think the one thing about the Canary Islands, which I think it's got huge potential, is kite winging or wing foiling, whatever you want to call it. The locations here are unbelievable for that. It's always windy. And for wing foil, like windsurfing, you don't need to have really stable winds. It doesn't really matter that much. You can handle gusty conditions as long as it's windy. And there's a lot of flat water here too as well. So I think the potential for the island to become world-class winging holiday locations is definitely there. Market appropriately, that's what I'll be doing. Seriously, not kite surfing. You know, winging, hydro foiling, like with a windsurfer as well. That's getting pretty popular. Yeah, that's and landboarding and stuff like that, skating. That's where it's future. Yeah, surfing, of course, because this is mainly surfing. But it just adds to the tourism of the place. You know, something different, something new. Have a go at this. Beautiful flat water. Here it's protected. Out there, it's quite windy. Those guys are having a blast. Nice waves as well. You get some pretty big waves coming in, so you can surf the waves. It's like heaven for the sport. It really is. Yeah, Canary Islands is for winging.